Hey, Tech Vibe fam, today we're lifting off with an in-depth look at what might be DJI's most compelling compact drone yet, the DJI Neo 2. If you've ever wanted a drone that's easy to carry, smart to operate, and capable of surprisingly powerful shots, this could be the one. Picture this, you're on a weekend hike, away from everything, and you pull out a drone that fits in your backpack. You press one button, it rises. You follow your path, it tracks you, captures cinematic video. No stress, no complex setup. That's the kind of experience DJI is trying to build with the Neo 2. Rumors and early regulatory filings point to a late 2025 launch, possibly in the fall months. That aligns with DJI's usual cadence for unveiling more consumer-friendly gear just ahead of the holiday season. The fact that new model IDs have shown up in certification databases suggests DJI is actively preparing it for consumers. So what's changing from the original Neo? First and most crucial, flight time. The original model delivered solid runs, but many users wanted more. The Neo 2 is expected to come with a bigger battery. Some leaks suggest around 1,606 mAh, which could push real flight time past 22 to 24 minutes under optimal conditions. Those extra minutes matter a lot when you're chasing light or trying to get a perfect aerial sweep. Then there's the camera. The Neo may second upgrade to a larger image sensor, perhaps a 1/1.3-inch CMOS or similar, which means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and cleaner detail in tricky lighting. Coupled with improved stabilization and smarter image processing, this drone is poised to capture footage that looks more cinematic with less effort. Tracking and safety are getting upgrades, too. Expect more refined AI subject tracking. The Neo 2 should more reliably lock onto moving people, vehicles, or objects, even if they maneuver. There's also talk of basic obstacle avoidance, though DJI will likely remain cautious so the drone stays lightweight and accessible for hobbyists. That way, it stays below certain registration thresholds in many regions. Design-wise, the Neo 2 will aim to stay compact, light, and user-friendly. DJI may refine its build to reduce weight, slim certain components, and improve portability, so you'll feel more comfortable carrying it on every adventure. The idea is not to replace your high-end drone, but to act as your go-to, always-with-you tool. What about pricing? The original Neo sold around $199 for the base version. With these upgrades, the Neo 2 might land around $229 for the core package, with a Fly More bundle, extra batteries, accessories, etc., possibly pushing toward $500 plus depending on how robust DJI wants to make the kit. Still, for drone features at that price, it could be very compelling. Who is the Neo 2 for? It's perfect for newcomers who want something smarter than a toy drone but less intimidating than a professional rig. It's also great for creators who want aerial shots without lugging heavy kit, a travel companion in your bag. And for original Neo owners, the jump in battery and camera alone may justify considering an upgrade. Of course, DJI has to balance features with cost, regulations, and reliability. If they push too far, they risk making the device heavier or more expensive, which could reduce its appeal. But if they strike the right balance, the Neo 2 might become one of the most popular entry-level pro-capable drones of its generation. So as we wait for announcements, here's what to keep an eye on: the official launch date, final flight time and real-world tests, imaging specs, tracking precision, and how DJI prices both basic and bundle versions.